Welcome to the channel, guys. This is the theAZcruiser. In this video, we'll be camping out at the White Tank Mountain Regional Park, and I'll be showing you the features of the Willow Campgrounds. So before we get to the park, I'm just going to go over some of the reservation details on the Maricopa County website before you get to the park. So currently, if you don't have an annual pass, it is $22 for a semi-developed spot at the Willow Campgrounds at White Tank Regional Park. I chose T13. Check-in time is at 1 p.m. and you're allowed one vehicle plus one towing vehicle. So if you're towing something, you can bring that in. And it has all the amenities there. It says barbecue grill, picnic table, has a shade, fire pit, etc. It tells you all the sizes of the parking spot, etc. And then checkout time is noon the next day. And it also tells you the cancellation policy and so on and so forth. So just wanted to give you a heads up. And then you just reserve unit and then type in your credit card info, and there you go. So the White Tank Mountains has a 4.8 out of 5 on Google, and it is located on west central Maricopa County, Arizona. It also encompasses 29,271 acres, making it the largest regional park in the county. Also, as you can see from the map, it's right off the 303 highway. It also has an extensive network of hiking trails, and it has nearly 26 miles of hiking trails through the terrain in the park, ranging from simple walks to challenging. The park also has a 29,000 square foot library and nature center for visitors to check out when you get there. Now I'll show you guys what to do when you get to the front gate. So when I pulled up, there was two people at the entrance gate. They give you this little packet that has all the hours of operation, what to do in the park, emergency numbers, stores nearby in the park, attractions at the park, etc., the different trails. And they also give you a blue ticket that you're supposed to put in your rear view mirror. And I reserved my campsite in advance, as you guys saw. So they also have one on your campsite with your name on it and the departure date. So mine's 10/10. So that's when the day I was leaving, because I arrived there on 10/9. So that's basically what happens when you get to the entrance. One more thing, if you reserved your campsite, you do not need to pay the $7 entrance fee at the gate. So we in, guys. This is how it looks like. This is how it looks like when you get in. So what else can you do in the park besides camp and hike? Well, I'll tell you what you can do right now. Some of the other activities you could enjoy at the park are at nighttime stargazing. Because of the clear weather in the desert environment, the darker skies and limited light make perfect setting for stargazing. Also, the park is home to numerous archaeological sites. 11 have been identified from the Hohokam civilization. There are various petroglyphs that you can find at the various hiking trails in the park. One of them, which is called the Waterfall Canyon trail, is one of the more popular trails in the park. So if you want to come here, make sure you get there early, otherwise it might be kind of busy. And now let's go back to the rig and set up camp. We're just gonna drive, I believe he said it was 3 miles up the road, so we're gonna drive 3 miles up here and we're gonna find out where our camping spot is. So it's looking nice out here in the mountains, so hang on tight, guys. I'll probably give you another update when we get to the spot. So you see the sign on it says pointing to the left, Willow Campground. We're just going to turn left right here. There's a sign right there. So when you get to the campground, you can see this is the main road, and we're right here. There's a dumpster right here. these are all the campsites. It says from W1 all the way to W20, and some of them are tent sites like these ones. So you'll have to park up here and then walk all the way down. And here's a map of the park. And then there's some rules right here. Check-in time 1 p.m. Checkout time 12 p.m. Quiet hours 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. There we go. It says no glass. Pets must be on a leash. No wood battery. Dump station. Blah blah blah. Firewood can be purchased. $7 a bundle for firewood if you need it. There you go. So I'm in my spot, guys. It's W13. That's what I got for them tonight. I probably cook some pizza. Got some stuff for tomorrow. I got like some eggs, some bacon. That's in there. Got my portable power station still. And it's my camping stuff. Got my pan in here. Some chips. That out now. Oh yeah, my rock sliders. If you haven't checked out the video, but I have the foam now. That's where I'll be sleeping at. In here. So I got pretty hungry after the drive to the park. It took around 40 to 45 minutes from my house. So I ended up just bringing some leftover pizza, some leftover homemade pizza, which I'm going to warm up right now and then eat. And then I pretty much just laid in my rig for a minute. So yeah, I'm just going to warm up the pizza right now and then we'll go from there. So after I ate, I had to go use the restroom. Luckily for me, the restroom was right next door to my camping spot. So it only took me like a minute, maybe less, to get there. And I'll give you guys a tour of how it looks. So let's check them out. Portable water right here. They got dishwashing stuff. And here's the code for the showers. It's a shower. Shower. Restroom. Here's the men's restroom. No trash, wipes, or personal items can be flushed. So that's how it looks in here. Not bad. Hand washing stuff. So you gotta put a code in and get in the restroom. But that's how it looks. And you push the lock. Oh. That doesn't work. I guess you just lock it like that. So then we can come in. And you want to shower, you can shower in here. It's the other room. Oh, that's pretty good. That works. we have these windows. It's kind of like sliding windows, so you can open them, and that's how it looks like outside. Good morning, guys. My alarm just went off. 6 a.m. Sun's about to rise. I think at 6:30. So I'm gonna get ready. Yeah, we're gonna start cooking some eggs and some bacon. Got the butter all melted. See the seasoning. Got the bacon right here. Got some eggs. Starting to cook. Got that bacon going. What's up, guys? Time to eat some breakfast. I don't know if you guys can see. I got the eggs cooked. Got the turkey bacon. And got some sourdough bread. About to get my grub on. Hope you enjoy camping with me. It is now 7:32. I don't know what I'm gonna do next. Might go Pretty cooked pretty good, huh? And a portable gas stove, so. I'm gonna finish up this food and we'll see what we do next. Alright. So while I was eating, I was also charging up my Rockpile solar panel and my NinjaBet portable power station. I got a video and review on both of these, and I got the link in description for both these products on Amazon if you want to buy them. And what I didn't see last night when I got here is there's actually a hammock post. If you have a hammock, you can post it up here. So right by the parking on this H13. Got that right there. This is the little picnic. Table section. I think that's some more. I think those are some more camping spots back there.
And of course there's the fire pit. There's a little barbecue grill right there. I'm gonna cook some. And I think this is where you put a tent up. If you have a tent. This is on an elevated platform. Yeah. That's probably where you put a tent up. But yeah, it's beautiful out here. I mean, by the mountains. I believe these are the White Tank Mountains. This is called the White Tank Regional Park.
Alright, well there you go guys. Hope you learned something from this video. White Tank Mountains, great place to camp. Hope you enjoyed my video. And I'll get you guys on the next one. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below where you want me to go camp next, and let's keep cruising. Alright, the AZcruiser out.